Have you ever wondered how a mother's obsession with her baby's every hiccup could change the world? In the early 1960s, Virginia Opgar, an obstetric anesthetist, observed that newborns were often mishandled post-delivery, leading to preventable complications. Fascinated by the subtle variations in infants' conditions, Opgar meticulously recorded their heart rates, respiratory efforts, muscle tones, reflex responses, and skin color. One sleepless night, while caring for a particularly fussy baby, she noticed patterns that others had overlooked. Her data-driven approach led to the creation of the Opgar score, a quick and effective diagnostic tool still used globally to assess newborn health. Imagine the irony: a sleep-deprived mother's dedication turned into a life-saving protocol, forever transforming neonatal care.